Good morning class. This is our second class of chapter first, Sky Vision. In the last chapter we are discuss about the what is there in sky, about a star, and we are discuss about what is light year. Light year is just of unit of distance, okay? And now in this class we are discuss about the Milky Way, Sun, Sirius, constellation, solar system, and group of stars. Stars. Okay. Uh, the Sun is the about 15 crore kilometer away from the Earth. That means 3.8 minutes for the sunlight is reach the earth, so we can say that the sun is 8.3 light year away from the earth. Now after the sun, the nearest star of the earth is Alpha Centauri. It is the about 4.3 light year away. The brightest stars of our galaxy, it is called Sirius. It is the about 8.7 light year away. We can see the countless stars in the sky. If we look carefully, you could see a band of stars from north to south in the Milky Way. So what is Milky Way? It is the galaxy that contain our solar system. It's called Milky Way. Okay, and what is and second thing is what is constellations. The some stars group forming some shape and group of stars is called constellation. Okay, आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बहुत सारे कॉन्स्टलेशंस के बारे में कि उसका शेप किस टाइप का रहता है एक्सेट्रा वगैरह. ठीक है. देयर आर मैनी कॉन्स्टलेशन ऑफ स्टार्स और गैलेक्सीज इन आवर यूनिवर्स. द मिल्की वे in our among the lakhs of galaxies present in the universe. Our solar system is situated in these Milky Ways. What is solar system? It in solar system contain sun and 8 other planets, जिसमें से हम लोग का एक अर्थ भी planet है, शामिल है. ओके. And now what is the pole star? We know that our earth is rotating round its axis from west to east, but we find the star moving from east to west. One star which is in a north appears motionless. That means one एक स्टार है जो कि motionless दिखाई देता है. We know that it by the name of pole star. Pole star means ध्रुव तारा. Okay, the pole star has been used to know the direction for a long time. It is इससे पहले भी मैंने इस चीज़ को बताया था कि जो ग्रुप्स ऑफ स्टार्स इज कॉल्ड कॉन्स्टलेशन. All stars of constellations will remain together. Show the shape of constellations also remains the same. कुछ constellation like Big Saptarishi, Ursa Major, Laghu Saptarishi और Little Bear, Ursa और Unions. ठीक है. In a Big Saptarishi, it contains 7 brightest stars like that. It is the shape of question mark and The pole star is situation in the small subterranean, all seven, sorry, out of the 7 stars, they are on the handle of Subsum, and that other 4 are in the pen. The lines join them point to the pole star. In a small subterranean, all 7 stars are brighter. Pole star is situated in the top of the handle. Here therefore sometimes it is called as Dhruva Mastya. Uranus is also one of the main constellations seen in the sky, which has more bright shining stars than other constellations. The shape of constellation is a hunter, so it is called the Kalpurus also. In a second class, we are discuss about the all planets and about our solar system. Now answer this. First question is, some stars are bigger than the sun appears smaller to us. Why? इसका क्वेश्चन आप लोग को बनाने के लिए बताई थी, जो आप लोग नहीं भेजे थे, तो आप लोग फिर से बता रही हूँ कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर भेजेंगे, ठीक है। एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, वन स्टार इज 3.4 ईयर अवे फ्रॉम द अर्थ, व्हाट दिस मीन? मतलब कोई एक स्टार है जो कि 3.4 लाइट ईयर दूर है हम लोग से, तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका भी आंसर आप लोग देंगे, बाद में मैं इसको करवाऊंगी। हाउ will you find the stars which appear to be in north? ये तीनों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप लोग भेजेंगे, ठीक है। आगे का बाद में पढ़ेंगे।